Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create about this AI website called Virbo. Virbo is a AI website that helps you create a video in a minute. So if you're a content creator and you're looking for a kind of videos to create with an ideas, this website is for you. And this website has an AI video generators that can help you generate your videos, shows, and authentic sound. So let's get started. So what is Virbo AI? Virbo AI is like having your own personal video studio right on your computer. So it helps you create video easily, even if you have never made one before. Even if you have never made one before, this website is for you. So Virbo AI uses AI's artificial intelligence to do the hard work for you. Think of it like this: choose from tons of video template, then tell Virbo AI what you want, and it magically create a video with a realistic looking for speaking your words, which is super super cool. That is one thing you need to know about the website. And this website comes with a wide range of benefits. So you as a content creator, here are the top benefits that you stand to gain using this Virbo AI. First thing is we get access to create high quality videos, so without any haste. So forget about expensive equipment and time consuming camera crew. Virbo AI lets you generate professional looking videos with realistic AI avatars with your browser, and also get yourselves to save time and money. Yeah, because producing video content can be expensive. So Virbo AI has a cost-effective solution that streamlines with the entire process, allowing you to create more content in less than a minute. Then also get access to one of these benefits from using the Virbo AI website, which is perfect for various use cases. So whether you need a video for marketing, education, or social media, Virbo AI has you covered. It's a versatile tool for business, educators, and individual alike. You also get access to boost engagement with a unique content. So capture attention with a dynamic avatars and eye-catching visual. With Virbo AI, help you create an engaging content that stand out from the crowd and among the list of other web AI website that can generate videos. So this actually offers best of the best, and also get access to easy to use even for beginners. So no prior video editing experience, no problems. You don't have to acquire the maximum skills before you can start using the website. It's very easy to use. A beginner, the Virbo AI has Virbo AI website has an intuitive interface. It's simple for anyone to create stunning videos. You can also create talking photos with just a few clicks. Also get access to one of these benefits, which is great for agencies. Creating a video agencies can scale production and offer more diverse content to clients, thanks to Virbo AI for efficient and user-friendly interface for that. So currently I'm going to access some of, so that is one of the like 7 of the most important benefit or important features that I stand to gain by using this website. And also here are key features that's available on the website for you to use. You get access to URL to video, links into published video ads, and also get access to AI montage maker, which help you create a stunning narrative from a media. Also get access to AI clip generator, which help you create viral clips from long videos. Also can also be used. So if you have very long videos that you want to cut into viral clip, so with the help of this AI, you can easily turn the video to a very short clip, and it still comes with the maximum value of the video and can be turned to viral clip. You also get access to all these AI tools Let's get access to all these AI tools, which is AI tools that you can use on the website. So get access to AI avatar odds and also AI video template videos. You can also convert your text into video if you want. Just input items prompts, then get access to that. At the same time, AI image generator, an AI talking photos and custom AI avatar with AI photo generator, AI script generator, PTT to video, text to speech, AI headshot generator, AI open and AI to video, voice cloning. You can also use with about over 300 plus cloning voice that you can use to make your videos. You also get access to AI video translate to URL to video. That is, you can make video from URL or turn your URL into video. So get access to tools like Allos Anime. You can simply do that on the website, and also get access to AI live streaming. So these are top notch tools that can be used in performing video content. So let's get the pricing plan for this website. Also offer the wide range of plan. So they offer a wide range of plan. Their plan is subdivided into two. You can simply pay for monthly on a yearly plan, and the year plan comes with 65% off from the actual amount. And you can pay as an individual, you can pay as a team. You can pay as a team. You can also pay for as an educationalist. So we are starting with an individual plan. So an individual plan as a starter, we are paying 19.9 USD per month and automatically renew cancel at any time. And once you are ready for that, you can the only means of payment that is available on this website is through PayPal. You can pay through PayPal, and the services is available on the web, on the window, the iOS, and on the Android app as well. And get access to credit per month. You also get access to AI card per month, one voice cloning, up to 5-minute videos, up to 1008 and MP3 export. You also get access to 20 gig cloning storage and 50 AI script and 50 AI translations per day with 50 AI tests to image. On the creators plan, you can pay about $27.9 per month with this Fably is also available. It's also available on the web, on the window, on the iOS, and on the Android. And you can also compare the three plans together, but the advanced plan is paid for $49.9, which also comes with unlimited features, which can be used to create a stunning video with the use of AI, and that's it. So all these websites, all these features is cool and super awesome. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this website. So talking about the pros of the website is effortless AI videos. It has an intuitive interface with device template. Also comes with a realistic avatars with available pricing, and one of the conditions or the downside of this website is that it has a limited video editing and occasionally glitch and internet dependency with learning curve and unlimited language support, which is downside of the website. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thank you.